showers and thunderstorms in Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Blanco County, eastern Gillespie County, until 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Eckerd, or 7 miles northeast of Fredericksburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fredericksburg, Round Mountain, Johnson City, Stonewall, Blowout, Lukenbach, King City, Sandy, Willow City, Rocky Hill, LBJ State Park, Rocky Creek, High, Blumenthal, Eckerd, Crabapple, Albert, Grapetown, and LBJ National Historical Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor